President Emerson Mnangagwa used the launch of a very beverage snacks plant to pitch Zimbabwe is open for business, but his claims for economic stability and growth sit uneasily with the reality facing most citizens. Mnangagwa celebrates economic stability. The citizens struggle to survive. The voice subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Speaking at the commissioning ceremony on Wednesday, Mnangagwa told investors the country was enjoying stability and sustained growth thanks to government forums and industrial expansion. In quotes, the prevailing economic stability and sustained growth in our economy should encourage both local and foreign investors to scale up operations and explore new opportunities in Zimbabwe, he said. Critics argue with the speech ignore the daily struggles for ordinary Zimbabweans. Inflation continues to erode wages. The Zimbabwe dollar remains volatile. The unemployment remains high despite government promises of industrial revival. Mnangagwa insisted the new plant proved his policies were working. The commissioning of his snacks manufacturing plant is testimony that our policies are bearing fruit and that confidence in the economy continues to grow, he said. He added that the Second Republic has created a conducive operating environment through macroeconomic policies, infrastructure projects, and industrialization, and urged businesses to adopt modern technology to stay competitive. Doma developments anobuda panguva ino achitagwa nemutungamiriri wenyika. Panguva ino panoonekwa kuti nyika yeZimbabwe, people they are struggling. People panguva ino they are facing economic challenges. Pena comment section medu dzofungura enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.